My dear friends, I tried to deliver at least one video every day to our young ophthalmic surgeons during this lockdown phase. Today is fifth day of third lockdown. I am showing you a video of atonic pupil with grade 4 nuclear sclerosis patient. After making side port and continuous curvilinear capsular axis, inject some HPMC and then start the modified direct chop. Emulsify some superficial cortex and then go to US1 mode and make a trench of adequate depth. Rotate the nucleus, then go to US2 mode, embed the phaco tip and then chop the nucleus. Thus make multiple chops by rotating the nucleus. Go to the US3 mode and lift one piece of the nucleus and emulsify it in the center. Bring the nucleus pieces from periphery and emulsify it in the center. Beginners should always in the safe side. We should respect the corneal endothelium. Therefore, don't deliver the unnecessary phaco energy in the AC. Always keep your phaco tip at the center. These all maneuvers are being done under local anesthesia, topical. Now do the cortical cleanup. By using Synco cannula. This is a very good instrument. Now do hydropolish. It is polish, POLISH. Now inject 2% HPMC. And then implant the intraocular lens in such a way that the leading haptic should go into the bag, and then dial the trailing haptics with the help of lens dialer from right sided side port, like this. Now wash the HPMC from anterior chamber and from the back of the lens. Remove the HPMC by using irrigation probe with the help of jet of BSS. Don't leave any part of the HPMC inside the AC or any cortical matter inside the AC. This should be our prime aim. Now inject 0.1 ml pilocarpine and then wash it immediately. Now inject preservative-free moxifloxacin 0.1 ml and again wash it and do the hydration of the wound. And thus surgery is completed. Thank you for watching my video. Your suggestions are always welcome.